Hello guys, so we will creating one project, one e-commerce project, and recording it and uploading on the YouTube so that we can use it as a tutorial later. Okay, so let's just start by GitHub desktop. I have this GitHub desktop installed in my laptop. So let's create one repo called Greet Card. Created card. So let's just create repo, publish repo. Okay, and so on the desktop it is created, and now what we will do is open the GitHub for desktop and open this in VS Code. Okay, and open terminal. You can use external Windows PowerShell or terminal, anything you want to use. So the first step is what was that? You have to write some commands. That is, first of all, you have to create a virtual environment. Okay, so just type here that command for creating virtual environment is um, what was that? Python env. Okay, Python dash venv, and the name you want to give to the virtual environment, and just enter. And you can see where you can see here. Yeah, you can see the virtual env is created. Now, what is the error is called? Why this error is happening? Okay, so we are ready to go. Now we have created virtual environment and we have to activate it by typing env and backslash scripts and activate. You have to just remember these commands, okay, and enter. So this screen env is telling you that you have entered in the virtual env. Okay, and so if you want to check that you have entered in the virtual env or not, let's just type this command to check installed modules or things that you have installed in this big freeze enter. Okay, so that I've already installed in previous. So I have to remove all this first. Okay, I have to clear this. So remove for that command is remove item. Uh, don't hesitate to use ChatGPT for these commands, guys. Even I also have used ChatGPT. No one can remember all these commands. Remove item, resource, recurse, sorry, recurse, force, env. Let me just enter now. Big freeze. Oh, I don't know why this is happening. Remove item is because okay, so I found one solution. Let's just try that. First of all, we have to deactivate this VNV. Why it is not deactivating? Let me just copy paste, guys. Okay, spelling mistake. Sorry. So remove. Now let me check. What paper is okay? Thing. But now can't remove all the things. Not happening. Just give me some time, guys. Okay, guys. So now I have deleted the old env and installed and created new virtual environment. So I have used these commands python and env and then activated it and then type this pprease and by and typing enter and I can't see anything. You can check this. Now it is totally clean. Okay. So now we will install Django pip by typing this pip install Django along with pillow. You can use only pip install Django, but if you want to install pillow, uh, you can type it along with this Django. Yeah, so pillow, let me check if it was pillow. Yeah, pillow. Now it is installing. Battery is full. Okay, now you can type pfreeze to see the installed versions of all. Okay, so now let's just start Django project. For starting new, creating new project, we have to type this Django admin. Uh, Django admin start project name that you want to give to your project. Let's suppose we are using create and start project create card. Okay, now it has created this create card along with the env. Let me just check to GitHub. Okay, everything is okay. Create card. You will get these files along with the project. It's by default by Django. Default by Django. So now you have what we will do. Let's go to. If you want to start a server, you have to go to the Great Card project. Great card, and then type Python manager.py run server. Then it will run the server. Then control plus click and okay. Your login has been launched. Congratulations.